What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about mouse. I'm talking about Logitech MX Master 3 mouse. This kind of mouse, it's really kind of dope because it gives you bunch of features. Not only that, but it's really seamless when it comes to your workflow, and I really recommend it. Now, it's not budget, as some of you guys know, in terms of category of mouse, and Logitech have a variety of different type of mouse out there, which they're really budget, which you can afford it, but it depends with a certain category which you want throughout the mouse to give you more and enhanced features. Enough of me talking, let us just get started. Okay guys, here we have it. This is our Logitech MX Master 3 mouse, which is really kind of dope. So we're gonna just unbox it and get started. We're just gonna open up here. Oh, the Unifi USB dongle for connecting. As you can see, guys, this is the Unifi dongle for connecting throughout your machine, which is really dope. I wonder why they kept it here, but it's really dope. And what's inside? Another kind of stuff. Whoa, nice. A really kind of great and amazing kind of cable for Type-C for charging it, which is really kind of dope. I like it. Nice. See here, Logi. Another thing, paperworks. As usual, a lot of paperworks. I know some of you guys are lazy, cannot even read the paperworks. Even me too, I'm lazy. It's left inside. Whoa, that's our mouse. So there's nothing else left in here. So what's the color? Is it black or gray? I don't know. Woo, it's black. I like that. I like that. I thought that it's gray, but it turns out to be it's black, man. Just check it out how it looks like. This is something very dope. I like it. You can see here there's a really kind of nice enhanced model showcasing you how you can use the MX, and you can even go to mxsetup.logi.com, I think, for downloading the utility for controlling this kind of mouse, which is really kind of vibrant. And you can even switch between computers, so it uses Bluetooth, which is really kind of dope. Woo, you feeling that? I'm feeling it too. I'm gonna keep it aside here. So as you can see, guys, here, which is really kind of great, this is an on button. When you turn it on, you can see it start beeping the first machine. If you click here to switch to the second, and this one to go to the third one, which is really kind of dope. You click it again, goes back. I don't know why I'm saying clicking, pressing it, and too much computer stuff. Okay. And another kind of stuff, you can see how much it's really nice enhanced, and there's a small kind of button somewhere here. If you click it, I think it's for the gesture and stuff like that. There's back and forth. These kind of buttons, you can map them up. It's just not that you just use them just normally, but it's not like this kind of mouse here, which I have it. You see these kind of buttons, this just back and forth. You cannot map anything throughout this kind of mouse, but from this kind of Logitech one, you can map this kind of button. You can give it functionality, what it's supposed to be doing and stuff like that. You can see this kind of scrolling knob. Looks like a scrolling knob, yes. And you can even rest here your arm, your kind of finger, scrolling it, which is really kind of dope. And there's a bigger scroller here. You can see I'm scrolling it. Let me just keep it clear on the camera. Woo, there we are rolling, which is really kind of dope. Now it's time, I think, for connecting it on the PC here to explore this kind of mouse. It's really kind of dope. As you can see, guys, it popped up the software here it needs to install, which is really kind of seamless. Just click on install and your PC needs to restart. I think okay, it's downloading right now. Okay, we are downloading Logitech options, which is really kind of vibrant. I like it. It's really kind of seamless because it just detected that it needs to be connected. It needs to be enhanced. It's like having an AirPods and iPhone closer. They just detect and their compatibility. It's becoming so easy to use it, which is really good. Now on the mouse side, to be honest, on the ergonomic side, I still talk about it. It's really good. Like I'll give an example. I'm inside Premiere Pro here, and you can see, guys, the way I'm just scrolling with this kind of knob here. Just check it out. I'm scrolling I'll go to the timeline and scroll. You can see it's really seamless scrolling, and even if it comes to editing side, it's really kind of awesome because you have just to edit things really quickly, and it gives you those kind of options for editing, video production, and even for Adobe. So guys, what makes the Logitech MX Master 3 the top-notch mouse in the room? To be honest, this kind of mouse, it's really kind of vibrant, not because of how it looks like, but because of how much the features and enhancement throughout this mouse is capable. Throughout any kind of surface, you can use this kind of mouse and enjoy all those kind of activity which you have throughout your machine. Walking around, it's really dope. Creativity wise, I give it go, and it's like, I don't know, it's like, where was it being throughout all the time? I had a problem with mouse throughout a lot of time, and you know, our hands, how they are, they tend to be bigger the more we grow old. I don't know what's happening, or I don't know, it's physics and chemistry. I don't want to talk about it, but it's really kind of dope throughout this kind of mouse to get you covered. Just know that your hand, it's really supposed to be resting, and it's supposed to be staying dope all the time because of the way this kind of, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, you already know. You're supposed to just enhance yourself throughout that. And Logitech MX Master 3, it's there for you for all those kind of enhancements. So that's what's up guys. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of unboxing and review throughout the Logitech MX Master 3. This kind of mouse is old, I can call it for right now, because it was released in 2019, but it's not old. To be honest, it's not old. It feels like brand new mouse, but it's really kind of convenience, and it's really kind of dope. And the more features which it has throughout the utility of the software, I give it go 100% because it's really impressive. I'm speechless. You should grab it. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you want to check out more and more info throughout their website, and it's going to be really kind of dope. You want to grab this kind of mouse, you're living in Arusha, you can get it at Gadgetronics. And last but not least, you're new here, make sure that you subscribe to your homeboy here to support on this kind of channel, so as we can mash up things really quickly and amazing. That's what it is. I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys, and peace.